are going to love the 2012 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, sound group, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, SIRIUS Satellite Radio, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.